Did you know that if you love pink, you're most likely romantic at heart? And pink is the color of softness and kindness. Oh my God, this ring is definitely the representation of clients who love pink. Welcome back to my channel. This is Bonnie with By Bonnie Jewelry, where I talk about all things diamonds and craftsmanship. You don't want to miss this video because this is becoming one of my favorite projects that I've done for the year. Oh my God, video doesn't even do as justice as what it looks like in real life. So this is a 3-stone ring that we made with a lab-grown pink cushion cut diamond with trillions on the side, okay? The special part specifically about this ring that I made is that I suggested to the client, this is a surprise for you. Oh my goodness, we used pink diamonds on the side to match with it. When I suggested it, her jaw was just dropping. The backstory, I have to give you guys a little backstory of every single ring that I made because it's important. The story is important. So this dear client of mine, she's actually been a follower of my channel for a very long time. And when her and her partner was ready for a ring, they actually said, okay, you know what? Bonnie taught us a lot. We feel like we can go get it somewhere. And you know, she had all this expectation of what she wanted this perfect ring to be. And it didn't quite turn out the way she wanted. And then when she came back to me and had an appointment with me to design this ring, she's like, Bonnie, you know, I went other places and they didn't meet my expectation. And so this time around, she was like, I want you to do my ring. I've been following you for a long time. And I just felt like it was such an honor for her to choose me in the end after going through that process. And we did a curation process for this ring. You know, we looked at different pink diamonds and she absolutely fell in love with this particular one. And she said, you know, I love the 3-stone look. So we were kind of going through, like, should we match it with half moons? Because we've done a cushion cut with half moons before, and that looks really pretty. But we said, you know what, in the end, we really want to stick with the trillion, and it just came out absolutely stunning. We used rose gold. And for those of you who are looking for a lab-grown pink diamond, you should know that the market is saturated with all types of color, very saturated candy looking pink, peachy, very strong saturated color that doesn't quite look right. So finding one that accentuates the softness of this pink was just amazing, you know. And that's what curation is, right? When you're shopping online, it's really hard for you to see this color. And even when I'm looking at it right now live, like it's showing different color on screen, that's something to consider when you're working with a pink diamond ring. Like, look, I'm wearing pink sapphires and they look very different, but this looks super soft and pretty in real life. Of course, what's a By Bonnie video if I don't give you an idea what we're gonna do with wedding band? Oh my God, this is a pink and white diamond mixed rose gold wedding band, and I think something like this would be absolutely perfect. Of course, we can do an open claw version to make it flush, but right now when I look at it as a set, I just love how soft and pink it is, and it has elements of bold sides, which is the white diamonds on the side and the pink in the center, and I think that's really pretty when it's stacked together. Well, if you are also considering a couple set, here's a geometric wedding band that's slightly wider. I think it's 3.5 millimeter. That's also a really good set if you're doing kind of like his and her look. Another thing 100% that is super important when it comes to making these pink diamond rings is the craftsmanship. I can't tell you how important it is. And she wanted it really low profile. And she said, you know what, Bonnie, I really want it not sticking up my finger. As a designer, I have to look at you. I have to look at your hand and your finger size and say, okay, aesthetically, how can I put it together? There is no magic number and no right proportion for every single 3-stone ring. It's gonna be based on the person who's wearing it, and I'm just totally in love with it. I've made other pieces that would go well with this. I think I've done the heart pendant with the pink and white diamond. I have a feeling that we should make a matching bracelet just to complete the set. Like, it looks stunning. I'm thinking pink and white diamond pave bangles to go with it. What are your thoughts? I hope you enjoyed today's feature about this gorgeous pink diamond. If you want to know more, I will leave the link below. Definitely send us an inquiry and see how we can make your pink diamond ring come true, okay? Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next episode. Bye!